So additionally, we can care that what can we do after we finish these courses. We can become a data analyst, and writing the high performance queries, understanding how the system works, same as programming Java, and the database administrator, where we need to design and train the system so that typical SQL statements are executed faster, and deciding who is allocated to access this database. The system analyst and software developer should be familiar with the full range of capacities of the database management system, and they can write the reusable queries for end users. And for the research one, the database management system is still evolving, especially in the NoSQL, big data, and so forth. And since there are some topics we will not talk about, is the no borrowing of the database, which is in the previous courses, and the group project. The group project is for the maybe next. I mean, the real group project will be covered in C1P 283, and the administration part will not be covered, and the implementation will also not be covered. The logistics is the resources is on Vital, and the textbook. Anyone is fine. We use the foundation of the database management system, and there are going to be 30 lectures and 10 weeks of lab starting at week 3. And the interactions, we use the lectures, labs, discussion board, and office hours. It is worth noticing that the office hours is the same as the labs. That is very important. And the discussion board on Vital for all questions and comments, just put it. I think this is very helpful. And I will try not to give complete answers. I mean, provide hints that you can try to answer questions, and try to answer others' questions. And numbers is provided, and I can also send you to that. And they are going to have 2 continuous assignments. This is very interesting. Continuous assignment, and each of takes 10 of the final mark, and 80% of final exam, which is going to be multi-choice, and 2 hours, and there will be the MOOC exam at the end. The parallel study is we should invest at around 6 hours parallel study every week, and trying to study actively and positively. We should walk through the lecture notes, book chapters, and online resources, walk through the examples and the experiments which they modify them, try to see what happens, engage with other students, if and only if discussion board. If only on the discussion board, discussion with others, and extremely useful. If you understood it, to start now and start regularly. Do not think that will not work. And the database system is a successful story, and it's very important to understand how they work. And for the practitioners and the researchers alike, that is what the lecture about. For the next lecture, we are going to familiar ourselves with the Vital course page and review the materials from CSE 103. Some relational models, the theory of decentralized model and database management system, and SQL. So keep checking the timeboard for a few breaks. And then we're going to talk about the next lecture, basic SQL. So this is, you can download this textbook, and the previous year's slides will be updated next week. The SQL is organized in tables and relations. The data is organized in tables and relations. There are tables, and the row is called tuple, the column is called attributes, and we have other things. For example, the views is just like are saved in the queries. So the views are the result of the queries, and the indices is just like the search trees. and the procedures is intuitively like a programming language procedures and triggers. Procedures and triggers will not be covered in this lecture, and
You shouldn't be sitting on to
I really want to find a place to talk, but I found nothing. Could you mind help me recommend a place where I can talk? Because I love to record some vlog, and.
You can try asking the secretaries if you can book one of the meeting rooms, but you can't
Yeah.
be out here in the chair in the corridor.
Yeah, I mean, where can I find the room?
We asked the secretaries.
Yes.
We have 2 meeting rooms that are available to be booked.
Oh,
So you can book one of
that's
the meeting,
great.
so you can book one of the meeting rooms.